Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to screen record with audio on Mac. So first of all, we need to install OBS Studio. So visit this website and click on macOS. On the next page, select a macOS version and download it. After the download is finished, open the OBS Studio setup file. I've already installed on my Mac, so I will open it on my MacBook. A new window will appear on the screen, and you'll need to drag the OBS icon into your Applications folder to install it. After that, double-click it to open. You might get a prompt asking if you're sure you want to open the software downloaded from the internet. Just confirm by clicking Open. Once OBS Studio is running, you need to add a source. So in OBS, go to the Sources section and click on this plus icon. A menu will appear on your screen where hover over the deprecated option. Under that, you'll see more options, and from here, select Display Capture. A pop-up will appear asking you to name this source, so go ahead and give it a name, and then click on OK. A new window will open where you can see your display. From here, you can adjust your display resolution if needed, or crop the screen, but I'm not going to crop mine. Once you're done, click on OK. And there you go. Your screen is now set to capture. Next, you need to check the audio. In the audio mixer section, make sure the audio bars are moving up and down. This means your audio source is active and ready. Once everything looks good, click the Start Recording button on the right side. OBS Studio will now begin capturing your screen along with audio. When you're finished, just click the same button again to stop the recording. The recording will automatically save to your selected path. To find it, simply open the folder and you'll see your recording saved on your Mac. And that's it. This is a simple and easy way to record video with audio on a Mac. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.